How's it going today, guys? How you doing?
Good.
What are you guys working on?
Just budgeting.
Budgeting, yeah. I can see
Just
that.
working on finance.
Yeah, way on the finance department. I can see that clearly don't have enough funds to even repaint the walls in this big
Yeah.
style.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
so something came across my desk, and we were having some issues with our current antivirus software.
I see.
Tasking you guys with the assignment of finding and implementing a new form of antivirus that remains in our budget and yet is still effective. And give you guys a couple days to do that. Come back to me, and then we'll make our decision from there. Yeah.
Alright.
Sounds good. Right, so did you find anything?
Nah, I've been seeing some things, but stuff that are way out of our budget, like Kaspersky, Avast,
Definitely.
Norton.
Yes. So I was watching this video on YouTube and it kind of explained something about a thing called Windows Defender, which is kind of like on Windows from like versions 8 and out. So what do you think about this?
Never heard it. Let's see.
So you're a small business looking for a cost-effective antivirus software for the defense of your company. Well, I'm here to tell you about a great option, Windows Defender. First, let me mention what viruses are and why you must be protected. Malware, viruses, trojans, and worms can exploit, harm, encrypt, and steal user data to take advantage of vulnerabilities. These threats are extremely important because the rate of malware threats have been growing exponentially since 2010. Also, the reliance on technology when transmitting or interacting with confidential data is a vulnerability for your business and is an ever-present threat. Specifically, the threat of Trojan horses is a major vulnerability for search engine optimization companies because traveling around the internet can be a dangerous place. This is why I'm here to tell you about the antivirus software, specifically Windows Defender. Antivirus software is a set of programs that are designed to prevent, search, detect, and remove software viruses. Next, I will list the reasons why Windows Defender is the most cost-effective antivirus suite. Windows Defender is pre-installed in most Windows operating devices, and it is created by the founders of the Windows operating system. This means that constant updates and security advancements are there to protect your assets whenever a new threat emerges. Also, the software has no bloatware or pop-up ads to keep your machine running smoothly. The main benefit of Windows Defender is that it is free. Some technological aspects of Windows Defender is that the software has the ability to scan specific files, activate firewall protection, ability to restore backed up machine code, and tamper protection against trojans that try to rewrite and shut down Windows Defender's defenses.
So what's up, guys? It's a few days later. What do you guys have for me in terms of the antivirus update?
Well, we have great news.
Oh,
We found
Good to hear
a antivirus software that is free and, believe it or not, already on our computers.
already on our computers.
Yes, sir.
What is this? I talked to some upper management about this. You guys found this and not them.
Alright, so it's just like when we talk about antivirus software and when you talk about antivirus software, it's more of like that. It's a set of programs which are designed to like really work with your computer and like how well it kind of defends your computer when you download it, like download files continuously, download like programs and all that stuff from the internet, and the virus and like trojans like actually come in with those files with the computer, in the computer. So it's more of like we kind of compared a lot of different products in the market and they were kind of like not meeting our budgets, as you know, like since we were like really tight on budgets and stuff.
Yeah,
So,
we are.
There were like really a lot of manufacturers in the market which we kind of like looked upon, talked to, and like I'm sure he can tell you more about it, and because he was like in touch with all those people. So you want to talk about that?
Yeah, after talking with many of the different manufacturers of antivirus softwares, we found that some of them were very expensive, including Kaspersky, Bitdefender, Malwarebytes. We don't really have a budget, and we're a small company, so we don't need something that large scale. But after a little bit of research, we found that already on our systems is Windows Defender. It's already on all of our computers, and it's free to use.
And since we kind of like are a really small company, we don't need some of the functions, or maybe like we don't have to pay for like antivirus and stuff. It's more of like since something is already on our computers which are like not really high integrated with stuff, so we can just basically go to Windows Defender and like scan our files which are like already in our computer so that we don't lose data once a while, or like if anything gets corrupted, or maybe like we have some like viruses in our computers, like it can be actually it can be like targeted, or it can be like traced by Windows Defender, and kind of like it can tell us that what's on our computer basically, like, and clear like our doubts and stuff like that.
I could even show you a demonstration of what Windows Defender looks like on one of our computers already.
Oh, please, let me see. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Alright, everything looks to be in order. The software seems to be pretty easy to use and straightforward, just like is the way you guys described. It's definitely going to save us a lot of money because we don't have to have all that downtime integrating new software into our systems and making sure it all works with our current programming. So, job well done for you guys. Gonna be some early lunch. Might even take you guys out to lunch. So, great job.
Thank you.
Appreciate the work.
Thank you.
So spread this video to all your friends, because it's a computer virus. Take it from me. I am a doctor, Dr. Toboggan.